All right, Fireman here. So today what we are going to create, or what I'm going to show you today, is how to create your own prefabs. So basically you will be able to create prefabs out of anything. I have chosen to make this very beautiful table right here. As you can see, this is a perfectly modeled table which you have absolutely nothing to complain about. And you will be able to have that as a prefab and just be able to drag it into the scene anywhere you like, and also use it between different projects. Also, you can add scripts to it. So I will basically show you today how to create your own prefabs. All right, so let's say I'm in my game here. So I have this little game, and basically it's a ball that runs around and can shoot things. Tutorials on that stuff are coming up, so stay tuned for that. However, today what I want to do is, so in this little world here, I have a few objects. And now let's say I want to add a new object. And I don't just want to add that object in one place. I want to add it in multiple places. And I want to be able to copy it and maybe reuse it even in a game later on, in a different project, whatever. So what I want to do is I want to create a prefab. So basically what I'm going to show you today is how you can create your own prefabs that you can reuse in multiple projects and different games and whatever you like. So that's what I'm going to show you today. And now what I'm going to do is, let's say I want to add a table, right? So I'm going to add a cube here, and then this cube I'm going to transform it into a table. So basically I'm just gonna like small it down a little bit, just so it looks like a table leg. That's fine with me. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can do this with any object you like. I'm just throwing something together here so you get the idea. So let's say I'm creating this table, right? And then another cube for the top. Now this table looks extremely good, as you can see. So please don't, talk shit about my table, because this is an amazing table, quite frankly. So let's say I want to have this as a prefab. So what I would do is I would take the top and make all of the legs its children. So I now have this one game object, which if I click it, should move the whole thing. So you already have that in one object. You can also go and rename that to table. And now I don't only want to use this here, I want to use it maybe somewhere in the back here. So in order to do that, I want to make this a prefab. And to do that, I'm going to go to my assets. And in the assets, I'm going to create a new folder. And this folder I'm going to call, I don't know, cool prefabs. And then inside of this folder, the only thing you have to do really is just drag the table into that, and you're done. That's it. That's super easy. The only thing you need to do, now you can delete that table, and now you can drag that table anywhere you like in the scene. You can even instantiate it from a script, can call that if you want, and that way you can reuse that prefab anywhere if you like. If you want to edit that prefab later on, just click it and then click on open prefab, and then here you have a scene with only that prefab. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you liked this video or found it helpful, please leave a like. Also consider subscribing, and if you have any questions, leave a comment. Oh, and also, can't find the tutorial you are looking for? Well, just ask for it then. Just go to tutorial-request.com and check out if other people are searching for the same tutorial as you do. If you find a matching request, make sure to leave it a like. so other creators always know what's in demand. And if you can't find a request that you are looking for, just create a new one. Simply click on New Request, then choose a title, topic, and description for your request, and simply click on Make Request, and you're done. It's that easy. And with your request, you help creators know what's in demand. So go over to tutorial-request.com and sign up today. It's free.